Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petite Coding. Okay, so last time we were going to fix this thing that it's not showing up the layout as we expected because it's all messed up. So let me just run the app, and you can see it's all messed up. It's everything all over the place. So I just want to make the layout more organized and better. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this main storyboard and UIKit, and I'm going to show you how we should do this. So first of all, I would like to have the fighter and support, right? I will embed that in stack view. Okay, that's fine. The fighter and support in a stack view. Yeah, and let me check my emblem app. Just a minute. Just a minute. I had it here. Then marksman and tank. So where's my marksman? Here's my marksman. I'm seeing it on the left, right? So marksman. That's the tank, marksman and tank. That's the next one. So I'll embed those in stack view. So stack view. Then after that, marksman and tank, jungle and assassin. This is the mage, so jungle is over here. Jungle and assassin. I'll embed them in stack view. And I think no spacing will be, you can get the spacing here on this inspector. And that's it, I think. Yeah, the stack view. I want to select the stack view, move it here, and I'll move this here. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to move my emblem, magic emblem, should be at the bottom of this. Not in the stack view. Okay, there. So now what I want to do is put all this 3 stuff in a stack view. Okay. What I need, there are some constraints I need to make sure I have in here. So I'm going to this image, I'm going to put it 180 times 180 to make it square. And I'll have to do that for every single one of this, right? So 180, 180. Here also 180. You see, this way. If I'm still having red, it means the layout's not fine. So I need to put all the constraints here. Swift UI is much better for this since I don't need to manually do this. But since we're in UIKit and I'm teaching UIKit right now, and I'm showing UIKit right now, you will have to do it this way, 180 and 180. Add constraints. Okay, that's fine. Now everything is good. But I want this stack view, this one over here, that center horizontally and vertically in the container. So it's at the center. So now it's at the center. I'll run the app, stop. And it's building, and let's see what happens. So you see now I have all my images centered, like fighter, support, marksman, tank, jungle, assassin, mage, where I want them. I just want to have some spacing here. I'll put a 5 here, and I'll put a 5 of spacing over here. This is just adjusting the spacing here. Okay, and maybe in between this I'll have a 5 and not a 12. And I have a more reliable here, reliable grid. So I'll run the app. And we wait, and now everything is placed where it should be, right? It doesn't do anything right now because we haven't done that yet, but now the layout is perfect. Okay, so that's it. And last thing we have to do is commit this. So I'm going to put to remote. You can see here all the changes that were done, right? Here are all the changes that were done here. We did it with the main storyboard, so I'm just going to say added layout constraints. No, actually I should do embedded images in StackViews to organize better layout. Okay, commit one file and push. Okay, and that's it for today. Yeah, this was a very short video. I just wanted to show you how to lay out this stuff and to see that UIs and views, you should, how do you test them? You just test them by looking at them. You don't do any test there or nothing like that because you don't have any logic, so you just view the view and you see it's fine. Okay, that's the best way to test the views. And okay, I think that's it for now. Next episode, we are going to add some buttons here, and we are going to test drive that implementation and to check that getting the new function to be called on each image with our implemented emblem calculator. And if we're done with that, we'll be done with the app also. So I'm hoping that will be the end of that video and the end of this series. So I don't know if it's going to take one video or more, but just keep watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.